Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hayley if you guys are new here, and if you're not, welcome back. It's good to have you here with me again in another video. So today is a different kind of video. I am known for my motherhood tips, my cleaning tips and cleaning videos and motivation, also for low tox tips and stuff like that, but I wanted to try and bring some more valuable content to my channel and to educate you guys on things that you want to know and that are going to bring value to you. So in this video we're going to talk about some YouTube tips. So I still consider myself a small YouTuber. I only have, or I've nearly hit 2,000 subscribers, which is awesome, and I'm so super happy with that. Yeah, so I'm content where I'm at, but obviously that is still really small on the scale of things. But I have a lot of people asking me how I got to here, because obviously it's such a process. If you guys aren't aware, if you're not a YouTuber or you don't have any YouTuber friends, the support from you guys is everything. That's why we do what we do. So by you guys hitting that subscribe button, it honestly means the absolute world to us. We do little happy dances, especially when we're first starting out, like growing from hitting that first 100 subscribers. You have no idea, like I cried. That was amazing for me. So, and it still is, like I get so excited when I see my channel growing, because I check it every month and I go through analytics and all that stuff. And yeah, so on that note, I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has been here from the get-go, who have joined my channel and who is sticking around. And if you guys click subscribe from this video, thank you as well. It honestly warms my heart so much. So how many times can I say thank you? But anyway, so yeah, if you are starting a YouTube channel, or you want to start a YouTube channel, or you're just curious in how YouTube works from a YouTuber perspective, then hang around. This video is for you and I hope it helps you. So if you see me looking down, I have my notebook full of all the little notes that I have accrued. So we will go through all of these. So tip number 1, study which videos get more views on your channel and create content that is similar to that. So for example, on my channel I did a Bissell unboxing and I cleaned my couch. Little did I know that that was going to take off. It went off and everyone loves that content, and that video still to this day, even though it's been nearly 2 years, is still getting really good traction. So you obviously want to create content around that, so I would continue to make Bissell tips, tricks, hacks, knowledge, reviews, all that kind of thing on Bissell, so that it can continue to get traction and people stay on your channel. So tip number 2, collaborate with other YouTubers who have similar content to you, so that you can drive their subscribers and viewers over to your channel, and hopefully they will stick around as well. Vice versa, every one of your viewers are prompted to go to that YouTuber's channel and hopefully subscribe with there as well. That creates community, and it's really, really good for, yeah, bringing in more people to see your videos. Tip number 3, hashtags. So in TubeBuddy, which I just use the free version because I'm not in the position to be paying for that just yet, and the free version works for me well. So if you can pay for it, go for it by all means, but the free version is amazing as well. So you can use the keyword finder in TubeBuddy to look for trending hashtags basically, or the hashtags that are reading the highest rating for your video. It's a really great tool if you just don't understand hashtags, or you just can't think of any on the spot. It'll tell you what's getting the best reading out of Google search and YouTube. It's a great thing to have. Tip number 4 is to create an engaging thumbnail. You want to use something that is going to stand out, it's going to draw the people in, and when they look at the thumbnail they can tell what video they're going to be watching, and it draws them in. So this is something that you will have to play around with and see what videos get better noticed. by the thumbnail. So you want to make them look pretty similar so that when people are scrolling through their YouTube feed, they're going to notice that it's you without seeing your channel name. So they're going to be drawn in, oh, there's Hayley's video, because it's going to stand out and look the exact same. So that's what I do to other YouTubers that I watch. I can tell by their thumbnail, their font, their color, their brand colors, their brand logo even sometimes. So yeah, if you can do that, that will help people visually see that you've got a new video out, and they will hopefully click on it. Tip number 5 is be real and raw with your viewers. Obviously, still have your boundaries. You want people to get to know you. They don't need to know everything. So obviously have your boundaries. They don't need to know where you live. They don't need to see landmarks, because we do know there's creepy people out there, so you don't want them to see kind of where you're living, because yeah, anyway, creepy people. So have your loving boundaries, but let people get to know you. So let them feel that connection with you. Let them in on your family as much as you're comfortable with, or if you're not at all, let them in on your life. Whatever you're comfortable with, definitely share that and let people connect with you. That's why they're here, essentially, because it is your channel, it's not a channel. So they want to get to know you. Tip number 6 is do reviews for brands or products that you use and love, or create tutorials of things. So example, again, like my Bissell spot cleaner, I did a review and I did a tutorial on how to use it. People love that. Brands will share it if you tag them. So you can do a tutorial on a product, and you can put it on Instagram, and you can tag the company, and they will, most times they will share it on their social media, and that also gets you seen as well. People will either come and like it, or they will follow you if you're lucky. So that is another helpful tip, is just share brands and share products that you use and love, tag them, and that will also potentially bring traffic. Also, people really love learning new things, so by doing tutorials and reviews, people learn, they take value to that, just like this video, hopefully. Tip number 7 is to check your insights in your YouTube studio to see where your viewers are located, and then post at a time when majority of your viewers will be online. So obviously, if most of your viewers are from Australia, you know to post when you're kind of settling in. Like, I'm from Australia, so I know when everyone will be settling down to watch YouTube, whereas in the US, I don't know when people, yeah, I have to kind of see when they are going to be sitting down to watch YouTube and not asleep, if that makes sense. So post at the times that you know that your viewers will be online to catch your new video. Tip number 8, and something that really helped my channel, is to have consistent posting days. So no matter what, I started posting Tuesdays and Fridays, and that was it. If I missed a Friday, I didn't post on a Thursday, or I didn't wait till Monday or Saturday or Sunday. I just did Tuesday, Fridays, and that seemed to really help my channel. People knew, oh, it's Tuesday, I'm going to jump on and watch Hayley's new video. And if it wasn't there, some people would message me and go, what's going on? But yes, so have consistent posting days, and that does help your channel get traction as well. However, in saying that, if your channel is thriving on doing inconsistent posting days, roll with that, okay? Whatever works, works. Tip number 9 is to use your location, and I'm not saying like where, like your address. Don't put that out there, okay? Please don't put that out there. But I'm just saying, like, I'm from Perth, so I'm going to put in Perth, WA. People know where that is, and if you're in Perth and you find me, you'll go, oh cool, it's a Perth YouTuber, or vice versa, Sydney, Queensland, whatever. So that's really helpful as well to know where people are. It's nice to connect with people, and yeah, so add your location into your description and it will help. Tip number 10, At the top of your description box, put 3 keywords that are basically the top keywords for your video. So say you're doing a Bissell spot cleaner review. Put review, hashtag Bissell spot cleaner, hashtag clean with me, or tutorial, or whatever it is that is your top explanation for your video. So put them into your description, the first line, or you can even tag the brand in the first line as well, and that will help to give it traction and get noticed as well. Tip number 11, and this one is quite important, something I've recently learnt. The first 30 seconds of your video is the most drawing. So it takes 30 seconds for someone to decide if they're going to stay and watch the rest of your video, or if they're going to go. If it's boring, see you later. And I tested this on myself, and it's so true. By 20 seconds, I'm either in or I'm out. So that's really handy to know, to make the first 30 seconds really drawing and highlight what your video is about even before your intro rolls. That will help people stay on your video and not click out, because we do not want click outs. We want to improve the click out rate and make people stay for as long as possible. Right to the end is amazing. So that's why you'll see some YouTubers go, hang out till the end and I've got a giveaway or something. So we want you guys to stay on our video as long as possible. So yeah, if you've got a really long vacuum scene, that's something you can do, is just change your camera angles or just do the highlights and cut it out and kind of splice it together so it's a little bit shorter, speed it up, make it really fast but engaging. So you want that highlight to be a vacuum floor and not like 10-minute vacuum scene, because yeah, it's vacuuming. So yeah, I really hope you guys got some cool information from this, and it helps your YouTube channel. It helps you to kind of think outside the box and understand it a little better, because I know when I first started, I binged these types of videos just to get knowledge on what to do, how to be the best, how to create really good content that's going to hold your attention. And I feel like I've come a long way, so I think it's time that I share my knowledge and my video binges and compile it all into my own video. So if you guys love YouTube hacks, tips video, please let me know in the comments below. Give it a massive thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I've made a decision. We're going to really step it up here and create some more valuable content for you guys now that my baby's old enough to sleep a little longer. Hopefully I can do this kind of stuff for you guys again. We're in a different season now, and hopefully we can stay here. But as always, keep smiling, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I won't say goodbye yet. Can I change your mind?